Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss a very most important topic AP. And today's topic is important result on AP. Means there are some important results on AP and we will discuss one by one. Okay, first result. Suppose the P theta map and AP is Q and Q term of AP is P. Think about it. If P term of an AP is Q and Q term of AP is P, then TP plus Q. Think about the TP plus Q. Okay. So TP plus Q will be the 0 and TR will be the P plus Q minus R. How? Please, it is very important. What is the concept? In an AP, P term is Q and Q term is P, then TP plus Q term is always 0. Okay, two terms are given. You know very well when two terms of an AP is given, how we will solve. So let first term is equal to A and common difference equal to D. So what is the formula of TP? A plus P minus 1 into D equal to Q, and TQ will be the A plus Q minus 1 D equal to P. It is equation second. Now we will subtract. So A cancel. What is the common? D. So P minus 1 minus Q minus 1 equal to Q minus P. Now we will open the bracket. D P minus 1 minus Q plus 1. We will take common minus. D P minus Q is equal to minus P minus Q. So D will be the minus 1. D is minus 1. Now we will put the value of D in equation first. A plus P minus 1 into minus 1 equal to Q. So A minus P plus 1 equal to Q. So A equal to P plus Q minus 1. Okay. A equal to P plus Q minus 1 and D equal to the first result T P plus Q is equal to the A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D. Now we will put the value of A. A is P plus Q minus 1 and D is P plus Q minus 1, D is minus 1. So plus minus P plus Q minus 1, we will open the bracket, minus P minus Q plus 1, P Q Q 1 1 0. So always remember, if P term is Q and Q term is P, then definitely TP plus Q will be the 0. And second result, TR. So A plus R minus 1 into D. A P plus Q minus 1 plus R minus 1, D is minus 1. So P plus Q minus 1 minus R plus 1. 1 1 cancel. So P plus Q minus R. Okay, it is the first result. Please all of you note down and solve at least once at home. Please note down. Okay, come to the next. What is the next important result on AP? Suppose TP is equal to the 1 by Q and TQ is equal to 1 by P. Means TP equal to 1 by Q and TQ equal to 1 by P. Then what will be the TPQ will be always 1. Okay. What is the important result on AP second? If P term of an AP is 1 by Q and Q term is AP is 1 by P. Okay. Same method we will apply here. Let and common difference is D. TP means A plus P minus 1 into D equal to 1 by Q, and A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to 1 by P. Now we will subtract. What is common here? D. P minus 1 minus Q minus 1 equal to 1 by Q minus 1 by P, to D. P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 equal to P minus Q upon PQ. 1 cancel, so D. P minus Q is equal to P minus Q upon PQ. So P minus Q cancel, so D equal to 1 by PQ. Okay, now it is equation first. Now we will put the value of D on equation first. So A plus P minus 1, and the value of D is 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by Q. Now we multiply by A plus P by PQ minus 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by Q. PP cancel, so A plus 1 by Q minus 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by Q. This is cancelled, so A is equal to also PQ. Here, please, there is one very important concept. If P term is 1 by Q and Q term is 1 by P, so definitely P PQ is 1. And A and D will be also 1 by PQ. Okay, what will be the A and D? A and D will be the 1 by PQ. Now we will find T PQ is equal to A plus PQ minus 1 into D. We will put the value of A and D. PQ minus 1, D equal to 1 by PQ. 1 by PQ plus PQ by PQ minus 1 by PQ, cancel. So we get T PQ is equal to 1. Please note down, please. Okay. Now comes to the next point. If P3 time, the P3 term is equal to the Q3 time, the Q3 term, then what about the TP plus Q? It means P3 time the P3 term is equal to Q time the Q3 term. So what will be the TP plus Q? Will be the 0. Okay, suppose 7 time the 7th term is equal to the 11 times the 11 terms, then T 7 plus 11 18 will be the 0. How? Okay. What is given? Pth time the Pth term is equal to the Qth time the Qth term. So let first term is A and common difference is D. First term is A and common difference is D. Okay. So P, what will be the ATP? A plus is equal to Q. A plus. Okay. Now we will multiply AP plus P minus 1D equal to the AQ plus Q minus 1D. Now we will solve left side. AP minus AQ plus multiply P square minus P D. Here will be the minus Q square minus Q D equal to 0. Think about what is common here. A is common. A plus what is common here? P square minus P minus Q square minus Q D is equal to 0. D is common. What we will get? A P minus Q plus here P square minus P. We will open the bracket. Here is minus sign. So all sign will be reversed. So minus Q square plus Q D equal to 0. So A P minus Q plus here p square minus q square minus p plus q d equal to 0. Now a p minus q plus here beta a square minus b square, p square minus q square means p minus q and p plus q. Here minus p plus q we will take common minus 1, so minus p minus q d equal to 0. Here p minus q and p minus q we will take common p minus q, so a p minus q plus p minus q, so p plus q minus 1 d equal to 0. Here is p minus q, here is p minus q, so we will divide by p minus q on a whole equation, so we will get a plus p plus q minus 1 d equal to 0. Please compare here, so t p plus q will be a plus tn, a plus n minus 1 into d, so t p plus q will be the a plus p plus q minus 1d, that is equal to 0. It means p plus q term will be 0. Please learn it and try to understand. If pth term is equal to the qth term, then p plus q will be the 0. If 3 times the third term, 5 times the fifth term, then definitely 8 term of an AP will be the 0. Please try to understand and note down. Okay. Now come to the next point. And next point is very, very important. Okay. The next point is, if sum of p terms is equal to q and the sum of q terms is p. I have in previously we have studied the tp equal to q and the tq equal to p, then tp plus q is 0. But here sum of p terms means in an AP the sum of p term of AP is q and the sum of q terms is p, then sum of sp plus q will be the minus p plus q. It is the very, very most important beta. Okay, very easy. I hope you all know the formula Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You all know very well the sum of n terms of an AP. The formula Sn equal to the n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the concept? Sp equal to q and Sq equal to p. So let A and common difference is D. What is the formula? Sp p by 2 2a plus equal to the q. It means we will multiply by p. So 2ap plus p minus 1d. Here will be the 2q. It is equation first. Now what is SQ? Means q by 2 2a plus q minus 1 into d equal to the p. 2 will be the here multiplied by q. So 2aq plus q minus 1 d equal to 2p. It is equation second. It is equation first. It is equation second. So subtract first minus second. Subtract equation first minus second. What we will get? 2ap minus 2aq plus p minus 1d minus q minus 1d is equal to the 2q minus 2p. Okay. What is the common? 2a. So we will get p minus q. What is the common here? P. We will multiply with p. So p square minus p minus q square minus q. D is common. Now 2a p minus q plus, open the bracket, p square minus p. When we will open the bracket, minus q square plus q d equal to, what is common? Minus 2 is common, so p minus q. Here 2a p minus q plus p square minus q square minus p plus q d equal to minus 2 p minus q. Here we will apply the formula a square minus b square. So 2a p minus q plus p minus q p plus q minus p minus q d equal to minus 2 p minus q. Now 2a p minus q, what is common? Plus p minus q is common, so we will get p plus q minus 1 d equal to minus 2 p minus q. Here is p minus q, here is p minus q, here is p minus q. So we will divide by p minus q in whole equation. So what we will get? 2a plus p plus q minus 1 d equal to minus 2. It is equation third. What do you want to find? We want to find p plus q. So as p plus q is equal to p plus q by 2 means Sn n by 2 in bracket 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. What is the value of this? Is minus 2. So p plus q by 2 into minus 2. Cancel. So what is the answer? Minus p plus q. Means sp plus q is minus p plus q. Please try to understand. If sum of p terms is q, the sum of q terms is p, then sum of sp plus q will be the minus p plus q. Please try to understand and note down. Okay. The next important result on AP is if SP equal to the SQ. Means if sum of P terms is equal to the sum of Q terms, then what about the sum of P plus Q? That means 0. Means if sum of P terms is equal to the sum of Q terms, then sum of P plus Q term will be the 0. Okay. How? Let A and common difference is equal to D. So SP means P by 2, 2A plus P minus 1 into D equal to SQ means Q by 2, 2A plus Q minus 1 into D. 2 cancel. Multiply 2AP plus P minus 1 into D, 2AQ plus Q minus 1 D. Okay, here come transfer rule. We will transfer in left hand side. So 2AP minus 2AQ plus multiply P square minus PD minus Q square minus Q D equal to 0. What is common? 2A P minus Q plus P square minus P minus Q square minus Q D is common equal to 0. What is common? D is common. So 2A P minus Q plus here P square minus P minus Q square plus Q D equal to 0. So what we will get? 2A P minus Q plus P square minus Q square minus P plus Q D equal to 0. So what we will get? 2A P minus Q plus A square minus B square means P minus Q, P plus Q. What is common here? Minus 1 is common. So P minus Q D equal to 0. Now what is common? P minus Q is common. So 2A P minus Q plus P minus Q. So what we will get? P plus Q minus 1. P plus Q minus 1 D equal to 0. Here is P minus Q, here is P minus Q. So we will divide P minus Q in whole equation. So what left? 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 D equal to 0. Okay. Third, what we want to find? SP plus Q. SP plus Q means P plus Q by 2, 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 D Okay, the value of this is 0, means P plus Q by 2 into 0. It means it will be the 0. Okay, I hope you understand. In next class, we will discuss some very most important question of this chapter. Thank you.